Hi, I'm Caroline Bateman, and it's official, all the schools in the UK are now closed. And it's a very busy time in the Bateman family. I've had one child have their GCSEs cancelled, another their A-levels cancelled, and another that I can't get back from university yet. Plus, I'm feeling really ill. I don't think it's coronavirus, but I'm being safe and self-isolating. But I wanted to create a quick video because I know schools closing is a massive deal for parents, and if you're a working parent it's an even bigger deal. But if you're a parent of a child with special needs, it's critical that you get the support in place quickly. Now, I'm not saying this to alarm, far from it. I want to reassure you that lots of solutions and resources exist, and I want to help you to find the right ones for your children. I'm not making light of the situation. This is a really, really hard time. But when life gives us lemons, I want to help you make lemonade. Because truthfully, a lot of our children do not enjoy school. And many schools do not know how to provide the support our children require. Plus, school takes up so much time and energy. It's very, very hard to find the time to do the activities that our children really enjoy and are good at. So let's take this opportunity to find great solutions that will meet our children's needs, and also to find activities that will energize them. And I want to help you do this. And rest assured, I'm using my self-isolation to create resources for you. These are extraordinary times that we and our children will remember for the rest of our lives. And as a parent, I personally want to make sure that my children have positive memories of this time, a time where the family pulled together, did more together, played and learned together. Thankfully, even without creating any new resources, lots of the resources I've already created will be really helpful at this time, and very soon I'll have new resources ready for you. And when I do, this is where they'll be available on the achievenow.org.uk website. In resources, I have this school closed page, so school closure resources. And really this is just a mock-up at the moment. But this will be generic information for all ages, primary information. There is so much primary information. A lot of people are making things available free. Secondary education, everything I'll put there. And then something I'm really interested in exploring more is all the non-academic things that children can be doing. There are great resources available that they can learn lots of different skills. And obviously I've got the YouTube channel and the Facebook group. And if you're not a member of Facebook, I just want to show you briefly just how fab it is. People are making lots of services free online. So this lady's doing free drum lessons, David Walliams, free books. This guy's doing free English classes, free resources. There's just so much, maths lessons. So if you're not on Facebook, you could really be missing out. Free software. I just wanted to make you know that this is available, and as much as I can, I will update these web pages. But for the most up-to-date, complete information, you're best off having a look at the Facebook group. I also want to devote time every day to answering questions, so please do ask me them. Facebook or YouTube are the best places because that's efficient. Everybody sees the reply rather than just sending individual emails. I will be in touch, but until then, stay safe.